Hotel. My name is Chris Bonki. I will be your personal butler during your stay. We assist with your bag. Yes, please. You're most welcome. Before I take your bag, may I confirm is there any private or valuable items that require a special handling? No, everything is correct. Okay, very well. Sir, please allow me to escort you to your front desk for check-in.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to KGC. That we have a reservation plan.
Under the name Arabella.
Thank you, Mr. Delazaya. May you please see what is the identification card? Thank you. Your reservation has been confirmed. You will be staying in our CCC deluxe king room for 3 nights, and breakfast is included and will be served from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, are your room keys in your stage?
This way, please, sir. Allow me to escort to your room. While we're on our way, let me introduce you some of the hotel facilities. Our all-day dining restaurant is located on the ground floor. The fitness center is open for 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. Our swimming pool is located on the fifth floor. The business center operates 24 hours. Complimentary Wi-Fi is available throughout the day. Should you require restaurant reservation, hospitation, laundry, or any special assistance, I will be happy to arrange everything. Thank you, that's very helpful. This is your room, sir. May I have your key card to open the only the components you with the room. This is your room. The air conditioning control is located beside the entrance. Television remote is on the bedside table. The minibar is stocked with beverage stocks. The safety deposit is inside the wardrobe. The bathroom amenities include brush towels, toiletries, sleepers, and a bathroom. Room service is available 24 hours for extension 0. If you need housekeeping, simply dial extension #1. If you wish, I can assist you with unpacking your bag and arranging your garments. Yes, please. Clothing has been arranged inside the wardrobe. Would you like me to prepare any garment for pressing or laundry service? No, thank you. Very well. May I also arrange a wake-up call, restaurant reservations, airport transportations, tea or coffee service, or strapels or blankets?
I like going out on 6:30 p.m.
Is there anything else may I assist you with? No, that's all. It has been my pleasure. Should you need any other assistance, please contact me through guest services by dialing 0. Enjoy your stay. evening, sir. May I come in? Yes. I understand you are checking out today. May I assist you in packing your belongings?
Yes, please.
Belongings have been packed. May I escort you to the front desk? Yes. Allow me to assist with your bag to your vehicle. Please take a moment to verify that your belongings have been loaded. Everything is complete. Wonderful. Thank you for choosing Grand Horizon Hotel. It has been my pleasure serving you. We look forward to welcome you again. Have a safe trip, sir. Thank you, sir. You're most welcome. Have a wonderful day.